Alright guys, this is my first time seeing a life-size peacock. Look how big his tail. Looks like a big turkey to me.
Yeah. Some of them are fucking... Do they like shed?
He's almost 3 years old.
Oh, there's a bunny rabbit.
Yeah, there's bunnies too.
They got everything.
We got piggies over there too.
Oh, you got pigs?
Yeah.
Hey, pick up your headphones.
Okay. Alright, there's the peacocks. Alright guys, we got some pigs over here. We got a chicken. Now, I don't know what's going on. They have horses too. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. What's up, Dad? Okay. Guys, I'm at my dad's cousin's house, I think. And we have a rooster out here. He's, I don't know if you can see him, but he's back there somewhere. And he has pigs, and he has one horse, I believe. Yeah, one horse. And he has a couple peacocks. I think this is the first time I've seen a peacock in real life. But yeah, check out this rooster. You can see him. He's right there. Yeah, he's a nice rooster. This rooster that's, this rooster right here is, he's a nice rooster. He's not, because I've heard people say on the internet, but I've seen people talk about it in school that roosters are really, usually nasty and mean and all that. But this one's really nice. Yeah. He's a big dude, though. Check him out. Let me see if I can flip the camera around. Whoa. Check that out, guys. There's the rooster. See how big he is? And there's other couple chickens that, yeah. I heard him, cock-a-doing it earlier, but I haven't since then. Why is he running? Oh, he's looking at me.
I've been around I've been around way more than you even seen me in the past 5 fucking years, so.
But yeah, check this out. He's a big dude. Just took a photo as I take. Trying to see if I can get him making noise on the camera, but it's fine.